gone.
Alright, it's gone.
It's gone. Rock can't hurt you anymore.
Thank God. I no longer.
Oh God, I gotta like go into there and see.
Well, what about Soda Rock?
They got rid of the shitty part.
Oh, the slow, yeah.
It's a straight line now, which is sad. But
wait, like
it's,
they literally remodeled it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Didn't
wow.
you see it
A lot of
live there?
dungeons
Like,
No.
it's completely different.
Call it, there's a miles different now too.
They redid a lot of the ones.
Well, those are the 1.0 dungeons. They just remade them, probably. Knockback. Knockback from D in front. Far from C in front.
I'm just gonna do the 24.
Oops.
Stack mid, get ready for chains. Up sprint.
You guys wanted to do new shit instead of weekly, because I wasn't gonna
Go.
I'd be down.
Towers. Outsides. Well, I'm out of town Thursday and Friday, so if we do new shit, then we're not doing weeklies at all.
play. I mean,
Which I'm honestly okay with.
I don't really care.
Yeah.
Get your hubris tanks.
Get your hubris.
Hubris here.
What will I do?
She is 30. Just looking at the numbers next to your body.
How?
I'm so glad.
Knockback.
Right mages don't need the Benny anymore. They're useless now to death
Knockback
lines.
from B behind her into healer stacks. Healer stacks.
Forward Valor!
Oh, sorry.
Remember the melee.
Sorry.
Think of your poor melee.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I do.
Double
I
knockback.
do, I have to heal him.
Look for what's first. Front first. Go to D. Get ready for her mechanic. Sides.
Thanks for the free,
That's literally the easiest one.
That is so comfy.
Spin the despair borbs. We at the back.
These burbs got some big heads.
The
Go to
despair
D.
Borbs.
Spin.
With her? Like that before.
I'm fine. These take
Yeah,
forever.
there's a lot of time. Yeah, you're right. All right. B and D are the dynamos. She is facing back. She will be facing forward. C. C.
C. Definitely C.
It's C, guys. Just like
Guys,
the
Look for the.
Valor, it is
Okay,
this.
sides, and stacks. Yep.
Oh! We did it!
Oh my god.
We're gamers! We're gamers!
Oh.
I don't
Our
want you
hubris.
hubris.
We're gamers. Immediately gets hit by your young hubris.
That would be pretty fun, actually.
I'm a gamer.
All right, loose spread and look for the things. Remember your order.
Hey, yeah, pay attention to what you get.
Loose spread again. After this, it will be the in-out, or insides. Mid. Oh.
I got Athena.
Those corner players kind of hurt.
Alright, remember your order. It's gonna be Protean next. Alright, remember your order. Check your rings.
I have a Protean between A and B, so as long as you're on the market.
all, we're good,
Oh.
we're good.
Fine. It's fine.
AoE, big AoE, big AoE.
Mitigation?
With
Wow.
the bleed.
Oh,
Oh, nice
macro.
macro. Okay, so the bleed is still gonna be taken for a bit.
Panheimer should still absorb some of it.
This is gonna be the 6 of them, and remember they rotate, so look for them changing after the rings go out the first time. Call the approximate marker if you see it.
Titan, get out of my screen.
Oh, now it's tight.
It's
So
A,
bright.
A.
yeah,
That's
Look for the rotating.
Yeah, I think it's just.
I think it's just clockwise.
everything else.
Well, for now, this one might skip one, so watch out.
Nope, it's C.
No,
Yeah,
it's a
it
bit
did- it
further than
technically
C.
skipped-
Bit
oh,
further than
shit.
C, yep.
There were
Fine.
2 3 spots.
There's a safe
Side.
spot.
Yeah,
Five,
right.
five.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
I'm a tank. Hello.
I don't have idle for this.
I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna upload a caracol.
Fifth thing.
Yeah, we're fine. Kitchen sink that shit.
Hubris.
Hubris! Get your hubris here.
It's the 4. It's Elegia Unforgotten and then the 4 ones. So just listen to the callouts. Alright, it is far. Far from A. And in front. Healer stacks. Okay. AC or far. It's double far first. Look for which one goes first.
Up sprint.
I will call where to go. Okay, go back to A, and then run to the front, and then it will be double knockback. Back is first. Go back to D, get knocked, and then look for her mechanic. She is. Oh, and then towers.
Tower.
Just go to your spot. Just go to your spot. Pop any
Oh, I
mitigation
had
that you
the
have.
angle wrong.
It's
In. 2 of them are gonna blow up. Okay, we're good, we're good.
Where
Get the
are we?
res. I'll get checked. Just focus on healing, focus on
Forest
healing.
Project.
Yeah, this is Telemania. So
Yeah,
it's like,
big hits and then bleed. Just focus on healing.
I have Numa. I'm gonna Numa this big hit when it hits.
Alright, it should just be a repeat.
I think it's carousel.
Yeah.
Next.
Yep. She is facing back. It is one of the forward ones. Go to A.
Another
Lots of
Rotate.
teammates. I just fucking walked there like an idiot.
Rotate.
remember those healer stacks after this,
Yeah.
just so we don't forget again.
AC are the dynamos, and she is facing forwards.
Can appreciate it. Just fuck it.
Look at her mechanic.
She will face left.
It's C.
C. Yep. And then it will be healer stacks and mid.
Center.
Mid.
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
LD.
Just kill her.
Hubris.
Move away from us.
Funny.
Move away from us. It's on Ray.
Oh. Yeah.
His
I'll
check
res
fire.
her.
I forgot to ever
Okay.
check. I'm done.
This is the
So for the
6.
mechanics.
If it is.
Ray
no.
died.
Oh, it's
Not if she dies, it's not.
Good
It's a
job.
phase. Oh no. Oh, that is the kill.
No,
Okay.
he's dead.
Silence is golden.
Silence.
Okay, I'm like mildly disappointed there isn't a phase, but it's still a very good fight.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't just have us do the beginning phase again, just like shorter.
Yeah.
Because they could have easily swung that.
Woo, we did it.
I feel like it'd be cool if
I-
it was like a little bit more modular, like the mechanics weren't in a static rotation.
I'm glad that the one where it records the 3 on you are like
A blue feather.
a blue feather. Oh my god!
Feather.
I wasn't ready for feelings.
What does this look like?
And
Oh,
yeah.
that's a pretty boring